What's up, you guys? It's your girl Miyah Smiley, and I'm back with another vid for y'all. So we got Big Shaq reads Dr. Seuss, The Cat in the Hat. So I'm very excited to see what this clown says about it. You know, let's just get into it.
Boom. Big Shaq. Man's about to do a bit of a reading thing. You know, like that. Man's gonna read Cat in the Hat.
Hold up, pause. This dude still has on this coat. Does he sleep in this coat? Do he shower in this coat? Like, he never takes it off. I know this dude is hot as hell in that bubble ass coat. Like, come on, bruh.
Man like Mr. Fnap.
What he say? I cannot take him seriously.
In the hat. Rhyming thing. Man didn't know man can do that, but man can rhyme still.
This is so awkward.
Open the first page. It's a picture. Don't know why there's a fish there when the book's called The Cat in the Hat. It's a bit dumb.
Wow.
Mad thing. The sun did not.
What?
I'm not really sure how you say this word, like. Is it shine?
What the hell?
The sun did not shine.
What's he trying to say? The sun did not shining? Does he mean shining? The sun is not shining? Dude. Yo.
Is it shine?
Stuck on that damn word.
It's a bit of... You know them kind of words like man didn't really, so like the sun did not shine.
The sun did not shining.
It was too wet to play, so we sat in the house. All that cold, wet day.
What?
Sounds like a flipping Coldplay song, you know, like that. I sat there with Sally. Old tight Sally.
Why is he reading like that?
We sat there, we two. That don't make no sense. Big man, know how to write your book, fam.
Ooh.
And I said, come on, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out.
Why is he shouting?
And too cold to play boo. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. Sounds like a hymn. You know them ones there? Miss Doubtfire and Sister Acting that. Oh, happy day.
What the hell did he just say? Did he just said Miss Doubtfire? You got your movies incorrect, bruh. You mean Big Mama's House. He said Miss Doubtfire. What the hell? Hold up. Take that back.
We did nothing at all. Sounds like a hymn. You know them ones there? Miss Doubtfire and Sister Acting that. Oh,
no.
Happy day. So all we could do.
He said Miss Doubtfire though.
Sit. And we did not like it. Not one little bit. Okay. I see what my man's trying to do here. He's trying to do the rhyming thing. You know, like that. Man them's got to come with better bars in the books, fam. Because this is not really intellectually intelligent, fam.
Ooh, he said
really
it's not intelligent.
Man. I can read this with my eyes closed, fam.
Yeah, right. You can't even say shining right. He said shining. What the heck he said? That just was funny.
You kind of get what I'm trying to say, innit? Like, if man saw like what he said before, then I could close my eyes and read the thing. You know, like that. Hey, big man, stop laughing at man, fam. That's not a dickhead, fam. Serious.
Yo, boss.
So,
he always getting mad at somebody, yo. Especially on the radio show, he want to argue with the freaking DJ. Now he arguing and getting mad at somebody who laughing.
Behind the camera sniggering, fam. Louder, fam. I've got boot cuts on them.
Yo, he pissed off.
Something went boom. How was that boom? Made us jump.
In a straight face.
We looked. Man, look with your eyes. Then we saw him step in on the mat. Big man, lie that. You're walking distracting me, fam. We looked. And we saw him.
Is he still on the first page?
The cat in the hat. And he said to us, why do you sit like that? I feel like I'm reading a speech.
It sound like you giving a
XL.
speech.
You man got man out here feeling like Barack Obama, fam. Hold tight, my brother. Hold tight, Michelle. Hold tight, everyone.
What?
I know it's wet. And the sun is not sunny. But we can have lots of good fun. That is funny. Sorry, funny. Sir. Man, so funny. You know them ones there? One man putting funny in the children's book.
What?
Okay. Laughing thing. I know some good games we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. Fam, what kind of book is this, fam?
About to
You know
snap.
like that? All I keep reading is Cat in the Hat. Man's not trying to challenge my brain. I will show them to you, your mother. What about your dad? Why can't you show your dad? Would not mind at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for that day.
He about to get mad. Yo, pause. He shot the book on the floor. Dang, that's disrespect, bruh. That's a classic. Yo.
Man's got man in big USA reading books. Boom. Alright, right now, I want to hold tight my English teacher. You get me? You done now. Man taught me a couple things in the lessons. Hold tight my brothers. Skutnu, Asni, Usna, Ratnu, Chingu, Retbe, and Sapni.
Yo, this dude is funny as hell, y'all. I cannot take him seriously, man. But anyway, y'all, if y'all like my reaction to this, give the video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are new, subscribe to the channel, you guys. And I will see y'all with another vid. Peace.